Hey guys! Alright, so here we are. It is time for math today. We are going to warm up with a fluency activity, which is called Flash Partners to 10. So I'm going to show you a number, and you're going to tell me how many I need to make 10. Okay? Here goes. 2, good. 9, excellent. 0. 9. Give me the card. 0 again. Good. 5. Awesome sauce. 4. Oh, you paying attention. 3. 6. 7. And 8. Good job. All right, now that we are all warmed up, go on ahead and make sure you have your Learn books. Looks like this. All right, yes, the flowers, modules 2 and 3. We're going to do our application problem, which resides on page number 83 of this lesson. Now, as we've done in the past few weeks, I'm going to read the problem, and the video is going to cut to a spot for you to answer. That's where you spend your 3 minutes working it out. If you finish early, go on ahead, put your answer in it, go ahead. If you don't finish, go on ahead. But I need you to take some time to try it on your own. So let me go ahead and read this for you. Sarah has 6 blue beads in her bag and 4 green beads in her pocket. She gives away the 6 blue beads and 3 green beads. How many beads does she have left? Go ahead and work that out. All right, guys, yes. Now let's work through this together. It tells us that Sarah has 6 blue beads in her bag and 4 green beads in her pocket, which means we can draw to represent the beads that Sarah has. So let's draw her beads. Are we drawing real beads? No, we're drawing circles to represent beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boop, 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 boop. Let's mark these beads. So I recognize them as the green ones, and we'll mark these so we know that they're the blue ones. All right, she gives away the 6 blue beads and 3 green beads. How will I indicate that those beads are gone? She gave them away. She doesn't have them anymore. What are we going to do? Write them out. So it says she gave away the 6 blue beads. That means all the blue beads gone. So we can mark through all the blue beads. And she gave away 3 green beads. So right now we have how many green beads? 4. Let's give away 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. How many beads does she have left? Okay. Remember our writing rules. So she has 1 bead left. Okay. She has 1 bead left. Everything in red is needed for you to have the problem truly correct. If we're going to take it to that next level, that level up, make our complete sentence answer, she has 1 bead left. She has 1 bead left. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into our newness for the day. All right, so we see it tells us that Cheyenne has 12 eggs. He uses 9 of them to make breakfast for his family. How many eggs are left? All right, so here is a stick of 12 Lincoln Cubes showing how many eggs Cheyenne had in the beginning. Because it's subtraction, we start with the whole. I'll show you it with my cubes here too. So look, here are my 12 showing Cheyenne's eggs in the beginning. We want to take away 9 of them. Let's split this into group 10 and 2. 10 and 2. There are little groups. And his family ate 9 of the eggs. Do I have enough to take away 9 if I start with this group of 2? I don't. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it away from the group of 10. Let's take away 9 from the part that is 10. Am I going to go 1, 2? No, I know that 9 and 1 make 10. So these eggs, gone. His family ate them. All gone. So that leaves me with how many eggs? 3 eggs. He has 3 eggs left. And that's what we're working on today. When we see a whole that is a teen number, we're going to break it into 2 parts. One being that complete group of 10, and then the other ones. And we're going to subtract 9, knowing that 9 and 1 is 10, from the group of 10. And we'll put the pieces that are left together to find out what our answer is. So, yeah, find out our answer is. So we're going to go ahead and do some practice out of the homework book. This lovely bedroom here on page number 221. If you turn to that 221, you will see it looks exactly like what I have up here, only mine is a smidge bit bigger. All right, so let's get some practice in. And I'm looking for my marker. I found it. All right, the directions call for us to circle 10 and subtract. Make a number bond, okay? Now the reasoning behind circling 10 is because it helps us to remember, oh, I put a group circle around that. That's a complete group of 10. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to circle 10 and subtract 9. Let's go. Circle 10. And we're going to subtract 9. Okay, I want you to look at it and think at it for a second. Hold on. All right, yes, remember we're subtracting 9 out of the group of 10. Check it with your fingers. If you have 10, take away 9, boop, 1 movement. There's 1 left. We will cross out, and I'll stop dropping things eventually, I promise. We will cross out to represent what we did. Now, in finding out the answer, we're going to put the remaining pieces, the pieces that are left, together. We know we didn't touch this, so this must be the 5. So 5, 6, which means 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Let's write a number bond to match the problem. We started with a whole of 15. We subtracted 9 as one of the parts, and we found that the other part, when our whole is 15, is 6. Our whole is 6. Good job. Now the next question asks us to draw the picture ourselves. It reads 14 minus 9. So draw and circle 10, subtract, and make a number bond. Yes, do all the things. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9, so we need to draw to represent our whole, which is what this time? 14, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so now I have drawn to represent my whole. That's step 1. Circle 10. This is my group of 10, 10 and 4, okay? Subtract and make a number 1. We're subtracting what? 9. Are there enough x's to take 9 of them away? Are there enough circles to take 9 away? And because there's a big old circle around it, that means this must be a group of 10. So that means I can go whoop and leave 1. How many are left not crossed out? How many pieces are left there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. And the directions call for a number bond. 14 was our whole. We took away 9, and we found the other part to be 5. Good job, guys. All right, let's do another one together, okay? Y'all are doing excellent today. What does it say? 12 minus 9. This time I want to set up my number bond first, because we know our whole is 12. We've been given the part 9, and we're trying to find the missing part. We want to find this missing part by subtracting. We're going to find this missing part by subtracting. So 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, okay? So what do we do next? Circle the group of 10. Because we want our eyes to just off gate, just boom. That's a group of 10. Because when we're subtracting 9, can I take 9 from the colored in circles? Are there enough? Can I take 9 from the empty circles? I can. Leaving 1. So 1, 2, 3. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. My missing part in my number bond is 3. Great work, guys. Okay, let's just do a couple more together. Number 4 reads 13 minus 9. So what do I draw? I draw 13. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do triangle. 11, 12, 13. I drew the whole. Great. Now let's subtract 9. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, that's wrong. Oh, that's not the most efficient way. The most efficient way is to break it into 2 parts, being my 10 and my other ones, my group of 10 and my ones, and subtract 9 out of the group of 10, leaving how many triangles and how many circles? Put them together, 3, 4. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. So we said 13 was the whole, 9 was the known part, and the part we figured out was 4. We figured out the 4. Good job. All right. One more together, and then I'm going to send you on your way. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. Let's go ahead and draw to represent our whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Draw to represent the whole. Check. Circle off my group of 10. Okay. Is that still a group of 10? It is, because I stacked them such that it's 5 and 5. That is a group of 10. So out of this group of 10, just like in this picture up here, let's take away the 9. So that's 9 gone. How many are not crossed out? How many are out here not crossed out? 6. And how many are in here not crossed out? 1. So 6, 7. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. The whole we said was 16. The part we knew at the beginning was 9. And we found out the missing part was 7. That's what you're doing when you're subtracting. You're also looking for the missing parts. Right, guys? So yes, these are our pictures and our take from 10 strategy to subtract 9 from team numbers. Ooh. All right, let's keep going. I'll show you what you're going to do by yourself today. Okay, so you on your own are going to do your problem set in your Learn book, which is front and back, starting on page 85. So this is 85, this is 86. It's front and back. After you've spent 10 minutes working on it, or you're done with it, whichever comes first, go ahead to the next slide so you can see your exit ticket. I'm probably going to split it between a few slides. No, not probably. I will split it between at least 2 separate slides so that you have room to do your work. I don't want you to feel crowded in the draw it space. But yeah, I'm gonna make it a draw it on separate slides for at least 2 of them, maybe even 4. But make sure. But this is the most important thing. It's the most important thing. If you don't click submit, I don't see your work. So make sure after you've answered all 4 questions, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, you click submit. so I can see your work, so I can mark it as done, and I can better instruct you with feedback from what I've seen you do. But until then, until later, if you have any questions, of course, always let me know. But I'll see you later. Bye.